Hi students, let us have a discussion for the introduction to probability. So what is probability? Probability is the branch of mathematics that deals with uncertainty. Ibig sabihin, hindi ka sigurado. It is a measure or estimation of how likely it is that an event will occur. The chance that something is going to happen. Ibig sabihin, chance. Pwedeng oo, pwedeng hindi. Pwedeng mangyari, pwedeng hindi. Okay, so we have here impossible, unlikely, equally likely, likely, or certain. So from impossible hanggang certain. Mangyayari ba? Sigurado ba ako na mangyayari? Or sure ako na hindi kailanman mangyayari. So, doon tayo sa impossible muna. Impossible, this means that something has absolutely no chance of happening. Example, if meron akong 3 red marbles sa bag, therefore, it would be impossible for me na makuha yung blue marble. Bakit? Kasi 3 red lang ang meron ako sa bag. Ibig sabihin, walang ibang kulay, red lang. Posible ba na makakuha ako ng blue marble? Syempre hindi. Kasi puro red lang yung nasa loob. Next, unlikely. This means that something probably won't happen. Probably. It might happen, but usually it will not. Example, my dad wakes up very early almost every morning. It is unlikely that he would ever sleep until noon. Kasi nga, yung tatay ko, mas madalas siyang nagigising ng maaga. Almost, ibig sabihin, hindi lagi. Pero, mas malaki yung chance na mas madalas siyang nagigising ng mas maaga. Therefore, it is unlikely. Parang hindi siya imposible, hindi never mangyayari. Pero may chance na mangyari. Equally likely meaning half-half, 50-50. Diba? Minsan sa hospital, pag sinabi 50-50 yung life niya, may chance or may chance na mangyari or mabuhay, may chance din na mamatay. So, may percent. 50-50 nga lang siya. Next, likely. This means that something probably will happen. Probably. Ulit. No, you couldn't promise that it would have happen for sure, but you could say that you think it would happen. So, ibig sabihin, ikaw, sa sarili mo, alam mo na malaki yung chance na mangyayari ito. Example, nag-aral kang mabuti kasi may quiz kayo mamaya. So, ibig sabihin, since nag-aral kang mabuti, alam mo na may maisasagot kang sigurado ka doon sa sagot mo. At sigurado ka na papasa ka. Pero, hindi mo sigurado na magwa 100% yung score mo. Yun yung likely. Hindi sure, hindi siya 100%. Pero, pag sinabi mo 100% ka, sure ka na makakakuha ka ng perfect score, ibig sabihin, you are certain. This means that something definitely will happen without a doubt. Example, isa pa. If someone pushes me into a pool, then it is certain that I will get wet. Siyempre, nahulog ka sa pool, ibig sabihin, siguradong basa ka. Activities such as tossing or flipping a coin or picking a card from a standard deck of cards without looking, which could be repeated over and over again and which have well-defined, are called experiments. And the results of these experiments are called outcomes. When you roll a balanced die once, there are 6 possible outcomes. which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Getting an odd number includes 3 outcomes. These are 1, 3, and 5. And getting an odd number is called an event. When you flip 2 coins simultaneously, ibig sabihin sabay, there are 4 possible outcomes, which are head-head, head-tail, tail-head, and tail-tail. So, yung 4 na lalabas na iyon, yun yung tinatawag natin na sample space. Pero while fini-flip natin yung 2 coin na meron tayo, that is called experiment. And, syempre, yung lalabas or kapag kumuha tayo ng isang element doon sa sample space, yung isang kinuha natin na iyon, yun yung tinatawag natin na sample point. When you roll a die, there are 6 possible outcomes again, which are 1 to 6. So, yung 1 to 6 na yun yung sample space. And any number from those numbers sa sample space can be a sample point. When you roll a coin and a die simultaneously, there are 12 possible outcomes, which are head 1, head 2, head 3, head 4, head 5, head 6, tail 1, tail 2, tail 3, tail 4, tail 5, tail 6. And if we pick one from those sample space, that is called a sample point. That is only the introduction to probability.